Alright, so I cleared out the room. Okay, maybe not the room, but I cleared out the shelves. Okay, all of the stuff I put in these little baskets over here to the side. And really I just have 2 more things left to do, which is take the stuff down from the walls and get the TV out of the room. Okay, I brought in the boxes. So this is my desk. All of these little cubes are my desk. And that little thing in the back, that's the desktop. So I have 2 of those. So I need to stack the boxes and then put the thingy, the desktop on top. And then I think I'm gonna arrange the desk going down this way, but I still need to clear out all this junk. So let me go ahead and do that first. I assembled my desk and it looks horrible. It needs to be rotated. The boxes need to be rotated as well. The corners need to be painted because they're massacred right now. And the other side of the desk, just, I mean, it looks okay, but I don't like that some of them are facing in and some of them are facing out. So I need to switch them around. I did put this piece of glass over the table. I know it doesn't cover the whole thing, but at least it'll protect the area that I work on most of the time. Alright, this makes more sense to me. Now I have the boxes facing me and I have some boxes facing the window. So let's start decorating. Right here you can see that the paint of the shelf is chipping, so I got some washi tape and I'm just sticking it on top and covering it up, and it's a nice little detail. All of my unused sketchbooks were divided by categories, and then I put them inside these little purple crates, and that gave the shelf a more organized feel. My reading chair, and now I'm gonna start setting up my acrylic paints and brushes, and I separated them by color and also by the quality of the paint. So the top ones are the best quality that I own at the moment. And this is my little painting corner with my easel, and the last thing for me to do is to finish setting up this little part of the shelf with my hard drive cables and my computer stuff, and I am done.
And the jiggies.
These are my alcohol-based markers. They're awesome for blending. Let me show you one. These have what you call the brush nib, and it's really cool to draw with these. They blend amazingly. And then I do have like another little pack of them, but these are slightly different, so let me show you. The tip is actually a chisel tip, so you can block in larger sections. And then these are Chafita but affordable. This is my calligraphy and color pencil section. That little leaf, a friend gave it to me from California, and the little monito, another friend gave it to me, and I love it. And then we have my Prisma color pencils, and I'm making it a goal to have every color, so I'm working on that right now. These are my watercolor pans and paints. And then I also got some watercolor inks. Those were fun to play with. And then I have masking fluid and my little watercolor brushes. Down here we have my marker pad and my mixed media pad, so I reach for those a lot. And then I have this little carousel with baby acrylics because they don't fit over there by the painting corner. On the right side I have some coloring books and my portfolio. And then over here I have my instant camera. So this is the photography section. This is the thing that you clean your keyboard with, the spray. I don't know where else to put it. And some photography books. And then off to the left side I have some film for my instant camera, as well as a point and shoot camera. And then, wait, this little box, I can't get it. This little box has all my cables, so they won't get dusty or damaged. All right, moving on to the baskets. These are water-soluble markers, and so you can paint on the surface and then get a brush and some water and spread the paint around. They were really fun to work with. And then these other ones, they blend together. So that was interesting, and I'll show you later if you're interested too. And then the last basket that I own is the pastels and charcoal. These little cakes are stackable, so that's really cool. I really like that. I only have 2 right now though. And then I have some charcoal. And lastly, I have my old sketchbooks and a couple of random things up there. If you're interested in a flip through of more of my sketchbooks, let me know and I'll make a video. And then I have these pastels. Ooh. And I really like these. They were a gift. And then let me show you my little mail and reminder section, which is like the most boring part of the room, but whatever. This is the opposite side of my work table. It's still empty. I need to fill it up. And then over here I have my camera tripod, and this is the one that I put my camera on, the one I'm recording with, and record myself drawing. Then this is an adjustable lamp, and I love it. I got it on Amazon, and you can move it all over the place. It's kind of like a dentist lamp. Well, that's what it reminds me of, and I really like it. Down here we have what I call my everyday items / stationery. So I have the paper and my checks in the bottom. And then on this side, I have my pencils, erasers, and fine liners. My pencils are very easy to grab. My erasers are like right next to my hand. So I put most of the things I use. So it's sketch ready. And then I can also grab pretty much all the things that I use on the daily, like my Kindle, so I can read all my books, or I can even listen to an audiobook, so it just depends on what I'm doing. And then I can set up my computer, and I have space for it, so that's awesome. That's about it, you guys. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.